It's lovely to have you. Okay, Siphamandla, thank you.
Good afternoon, colleagues. Okay, good. My one was quicker to come up. Siphamandla Gumede, Unemployment Insurance Fund under the Department of Labor from the Compliance Unit. I'm basically going to take 15 minutes of your time where I'm going to first speak to you as an employee in a company. Then once I'm done with that, I will speak to you as an employer. And then from there, I'll be done. Yes. There is supposed to be a remote, yes. Basically, our purpose is to provide short-term relief to employers who cannot work anymore, or to employers or beneficiaries that qualify for our benefits, meaning that we are not necessarily an investment scheme. We just provide short-term relief while you are in between jobs. These are the 5 types of benefits that we have as the fund. Each and every person that works for a company that contributes towards UIF, automatically these are the benefits that they are exposed to. The first one will be the ordinary benefit. This is whereby you are retrenched by your employer. And then from there, automatically you qualify, you come and you claim. Or you were on a contract and the contract came to an end and the contract was not renewed. You come to UIF, you claim the benefit, we're going to pay. Those are the only 2 types of losing employment for which you qualify for this benefit. Meaning that if you retire voluntarily, you do not get access to the benefit. Or if you were retrenched as a result of something wrong that you did in the office or at work, you also do not receive the benefit, because every time we receive retrenchment, the employer will tell us what is the reason you are terminating employment of this particular employer. The only time when we're going to pay out a benefit as a result of resignation is if it was a constructive dismissal, and then you took the employer to CCMA and you did win the case, but you still want to resign. Then we pay in that case. Illness, maternity, and adoption. Once you have been ill for 7 days or more, automatically, and at the time when you were on sick leave, you are not receiving an income, or you're not receiving 100% of what is due to you, you come to UIF, you claim the benefit, we pay out through to you. Maternity and adoption. If at the time you need to be on maternity leave and then you are not receiving, you are not receiving your salary or not receiving 100% of what is due to you, you come and you claim. Dependence, death benefit. God forbid you pass on while you are contributing, then your family or your beneficiaries, they need to come to UIF to claim a death benefit, where we're going to pay out a lump sum to the family for the family to be covered. The last 2, the reason why I've got space in between is because the last 2, those are the new benefits that we have that were introduced by the minister in November 2018, and they will be active in a few months' time, while as the fund was still preparing for it. The parental benefit, that one, it's a benefit for fathers, because currently we pay out a maternity benefit to the mothers. So now the fathers will also be able to claim. Yes, the fathers will be able to claim their paternal benefit for the 10 days that they're going to be spending at home. Okay. Then commissioning parental benefit. Let us say in that arrangement, you guys are unable to give birth to a child. If you get someone else through the surrogacy arrangement, then that benefit is also for a person that bore the child to claim, and also for the parents to be able to claim that benefit that you have got. When do you apply? From the time you lose employment, we give you 12 months within which to come and claim your benefits. That is for the normal benefit, sick leave, maternity and adoption. And then for the death benefit, we are expecting your family or your beneficiaries to come and claim within a period of 18 months. These are documents that you will need, which are documents that will be explained to you when you visit a labor center or when you apply online, that you need to attach when you're applying for those documents. These are the changes that, that we have introduced now in this academic year that came with the amendments. The first one, civil servants were not contributing, or they were not covered by the fund, but now they are going to be covered. And then the credit calculation, our beneficiaries, when they come to claim, with effect from 1 January, they will be getting more they will have been getting had they applied in the previous financial period. And then we're expecting employers. This covers learners and foreign nationals, which means even if you've got interns in the company or people who own a learnership, they are covered by the fund. And then declarations, we're expecting our employers to declare on a monthly basis rather than once a year as per our previous legislation. And then a death claim. Currently, we're only expecting a surviving life partner to come and claim, or the children below the age of 21, and then if they're above 21, they should be students. But now, you can nominate while you are alive and say, when I pass on, I need my UIF claims to be facilitated by this specific person. And then from there, these are the other amendments that are coming from them. In closure, employers, what is an employer in the eyes of UIF? Once you have got somebody working for you for a period more than 24 hours a month, you are an employer. It does not matter what type of employment or what type of an agreement, but once you have got somebody working for you for a period, you need to come and register with the fund so that you allocate to a UIF reference number. Then you need to declare information of those employees. You tell us who they are, how much are they getting paid, when did you employ them, and all of that. And then on a monthly basis, you need to update us, and then you make contributions to the fund. In order to declare, which is most important, we expect or we wish that each and every employer can use our online system, which is U-filing, for them to declare employees, or they can use any other electronic means in order to be able to declare and update us the information. And this is a calculation of the percentage. As employers, we will know this because this has always been like this ever since in terms of deducting and contributing. And then contributions must be made on a monthly basis on or before the 7th of every month, because if you don't make it by the 7th, we will start calculating interest and penalties. The last slide, this is a UIF compliance certificate for those that need that document. If you need a document, you just send an email to compliance@UIF. It will respond to you automatically with a response that will explain the whole process, giving you all these details, and then also to give you the comfort for you to be able to have that. These are our contact details. Should you need to communicate with us around anything, compliance, UIF benefits, and anything, then we'll be happy to assist you in any way that we can. MC. Thank you.